With 100,000 kamikaze drones at minimal cost, the Turkish threat in the Aegean and Eastern Mediterranean is over. They are building ballistic missiles. The new Sultan Erdogan brandishes them against Greece. And it is estimated that there is an answer to this through the war in Ukraine. The use of 100,000 Greek kamikaze drones is possible and feasible. For example, we say from our country, it constitutes the central axis in the modern discussion about asymmetric deterrence against Turkey. But its implementation involves specific economic, operational, and technical parameters. Greece is proceeding with a radical change in its defense doctrine in the Aegean, adopting the mass use of drones and the development of advanced anti-drone systems. For the effective deterrence of the Turkish threat, following the recent decisions of the Qusaysia, the country is investing in a comprehensive domestic unmanned systems strategy. Our country is already implementing the doctrine of asymmetric deterrence against asymmetric threats. Domestic defense production has already been scaled up. Specifically, factories are operating in Asharnis and Xanthi, capable of producing over 4,000 FPV drones and kamikaze drones annually. With minimal cost, our country is turning unmanned aerial vehicles into a force multiplier for the battlefield, in Evros and in island operations. However, it is necessary to create or purchase mobile drone production stations directly on the field by the armed forces, giving the Army a huge capability in the event of military conflicts. Civilian drones, modified into kamikaze drones, cost between $500 and $2,000, while specialized military loitering munitions cost from $10,000 to $50,000 per unit. The purchase of 100,000 FPV drones therefore requires about 50 to 100 million. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments.